combining object pronouns. So does anything change if you use two pronouns at the same time? Yes. Generally, in the first and second person, the I of the indirect object pronoun changes to an E. The changes are as follows. Okay, so for the indirect object pronoun, if it's used with a direct object pronoun, the me becomes me, the T becomes te, the chi becomes che, and the V becomes ve. Okay, now for li and lei and loro or li, they all become lie. Okay, so they all become lie when you're combining it with a direct object pronoun. For example, again, Luigi gives the book to Paolo. So Luigi dà il libro a Paolo is our original sentence. Luigi gives it to him. Luigi dà lo gli. That is not correct. Okay, that is incorrect. It doesn't even sound right to say it. So you cannot use these like this after the conjugated verb. Doesn't work like that. And this is also incorrect. Okay, I'll show you why in a second. So Luigi gives it to him. You cannot say Luigi lo gli dà. Okay, why? Because in this case, we put the direct object pronoun first, and it doesn't work that way. We have to put the indirect object pronoun first when you're combining them, okay, or when you're using them together. So the lo and the li must reverse their order and then add an E, okay, add an E here, to form lielo. Lielo. That's all one word here. I just put it in two different colors so you can see what I did here. Note only the third person lie combines with direct object pronouns to make one word, lielo. The first and second person pronouns remain as separate words. Okay, so these do not combine, but the indirect object pronoun still comes before the direct object pronoun, but they just do not form one word. Okay, back to our example here. Luigi gives it to him. This is correct. Luigi glielo dà. Okay, so we made it into one word. We combined it into one word because it's a third person singular, and we put it before the conjugated verb. If our sentence was Luigi wants to give it to him, you could also attach it to the end of the infinitive. Okay, so Luigi vuole darglielo. Darglielo. It's hard to say, but it's a correct way to use it. So you just chop off the end, chop off the E here from dare, and then you attach lielo. Okay, so lielo da or vuole darglielo. Okay, it's kind of fun to say. So yeah, that's how you do it. Okay. Remember, when both the indirect object and direct object pronouns are used together, the indirect object pronoun always comes first. Okay, so just remember that. The indirect always comes first.